Then said he also to him that bade him, When thou makest a dinner or a supper, call not thy friends, nor thy brethren, neither thy kinsmen, nor thy rich neighbors, lest they also bid thee again, a recompense may be made. But when thou makest a feast, call the poor, the maimed, the lame, the blind, and you shalt be blessed, for they cannot recompense thee, for thou shalt be recompensed at the resurrection of the just. But when one of them said, that sat there at meat with him, heard these things, he said unto him, Blessed is he that shall eat bread in the kingdom of God. Then said he unto him, A certain man had a great supper, and bade many, and sent his servant at supper time to say to them that they were bidden, Come, for all things are now ready. And they all with one consent began to make an excuse. The first said unto him, I have bought a piece of ground, and I must needs go and see it. I pray thee, be excused. And the second said, I have bought 5 yoke of oxen, and I go to prove them. I pray thee, have been excused. And another said, I have married a wife, and therefore I cannot come. So that servant came and showed his lord these things. Then the master of the house, being angry, said to his servants, Go out quickly to the streets and to the lanes of the city, and bring back the poor, the maimed, the halt, and the blind. And the servant said, Lord, it is done as you have commanded, and yet there is room. And the Lord said to the servant, Go out into the highways and hedges, and compel them to come in, so that my house will be filled. And I say unto you, that none of these men who were bidden shall taste my supper,